Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can unlock or reset user account password from Active Directory. Okay, so I'll show you step by step each and everything. But before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Let's start now. So first, let me log into one of my server using this account. So my domain name is IT Parivar and user account is test. Okay, so I'm going to log in on this using password. Okay, yes. So see here, you can see it is saying like the reference account is currently logged out and may not be logged on. I'll say okay. So the account is test account, right? And the domain name is itparivar.lan. Now let me jump on my domain controller on my Active Directory server. So this is my Active Directory server, or you can say domain controller. I'm going to open here Active Directory users and computers, and here I'm going to find that test user. In your case, you can find the account which is logged out. Okay, so you have to find like test or any other account which you have find, and just right click, go to properties, go to account tab, and you can see here unlock account. This account is currently logged out and this Active Directory domain controller. Okay, so it is saying like this account is logged out. We need to just select this option, check this, apply, and okay to unlock the account. Let's check the status again. Go to properties, go to account. Now you can see that message finished now. So that means account is unlocked now. Let's try to log in again to that server, or we'll try to log in later on. Just let me show you how you can reset the password for the Active Directory domain user account. So to just right click on the username and type here new password and confirm password. Just uncheck this option if you don't want to change at net logon. Okay, if you want to enable this option, it will ask user to change the password once user will try to log into the server. Okay, so for now I'm going to just uncheck this, just say okay. So in this way you can reset user account password and unlock user account from the Active Directory. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.